Before you spend your hard-earned money on whitemountainsupply.com, you need to hear this. Because what looks like a rugged outdoor clothing brand at first glance doesn't always turn out that way once everything is checked carefully. In this honest 2025 review of White Mountain Supply, I checked everything that matters to decide whether this clothing store is legit or a potential scam, and the results are mixed. White Mountain Supply claims to sell outdoor gear, adventure-ready apparel, and casual clothing suitable for hiking and travel, but when you dig deeper, some points raise questions while others seem acceptable. The website itself looks clean and professional, product images are appealing, and pricing feels competitive, which initially creates trust. However, when reviewing store transparency, things like limited brand background information, unclear company ownership details, and a lack of strong online presence outside their website stand out. Customer policies such as returns and refunds exist, but they are not as clearly explained as you would expect from a well-established clothing brand. Shipping timelines also appear vague, which can be a concern for buyers who want certainty. On the other hand, the site does use standard security measures for checkout, and the product descriptions are reasonably detailed, which adds some credibility. There's no solid proof that White Mountain Supply is outright fake, but there is also not enough evidence to confidently call it a fully trustworthy. Established brand in 2025, the overall result is that whitemountainsupply.com falls into a gray area, not clearly a scam, but not strongly verified either. If you decide to order, it would be wiser to start with a small purchase. Avoid high-value orders and carefully read all policies before checkout. This review is meant to help you make an informed decision, so you can decide for yourself whether White Mountain Supply is worth the risk or better left alone.